Knee pain is a very common problem nowadays. So you have to remember, if you are having arthritis, if you are having knee pain, and the second thing is, if your weight is too much, then it can also cause knee pain. Tighten our kneecap, straight your knee, flex your ankle, down, up, Namaste friends, welcome to you Vinmoves. In today's video, we are going to do some exercise and some asana for your knee pain. Knee pain is a very common problem nowadays. Many people are suffering from knee problem or knee pain issue. Many people having arthritis and different type of arthritis they are having, and because of that their regular life is getting too much disturbed. They are not able to walk properly, they are not able to use the stairs, and they are getting too much pain during the activities while their regular routine. So in this video we are going to give you some tips which will help you to reduce your knee pain. So you have to remember, if you are having arthritis, if you are having knee pain, what we have to do, we have to stronger our thigh muscles and we have to stronger our calf muscles, so our knee joint will not get much pressure. And the second thing is, if your weight is too much, then it can also cause knee pain, because while walking, if your body weight is too much, all the pressure goes to your knee joint and ankle joint, and mostly your knee joints are getting more pressure if your body weight is too much, and that is also a reason you can have a knee pain. Now let's go towards our video and do some exercise and asana for our knee joint pain. So first, sit in Dandasana position with keeping our feet together, hands by the side of your body. So first one, what we're gonna do, look at my ankle joint and toes here. So what we're gonna do, we have to flex our ankle and then point, flex and point, spine straight, flex and point, flex and point. So you have to practice this one 10 to 20 rounds, okay, and you have to do 3 sets, so like 20 times each set. So once you press it in, once you flex your ankle, then point, it is 1, flex and point 2, flex and point 3, flex and point 4. So like this you have to do 3 sets 20 times. Okay, that's the first one. Next one, you can get a blanket or you can get a towel. Okay, anything, whatever is available, just place it under your knee joint. Okay, after that, what we're gonna do, next one, keeping your spine straight. Now we will try to straight our knee and flex the ankle and then down. Tighten our kneecap, straight your knee, flex your ankle, down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So like this you have to continue practice with this way. So same 20 times 3 sets. As you tried with your right side, same practice with the left. So here with the left, flex your ankle, straight your knee, then down, flex your ankle, straight your knee, then down, flex your ankle, straight your knee, then down, up and down. Same you can try with both legs also. So place the blanket under your both the knee joints, spine straight, and then up, flex your ankle and then down. So with this one you can feel your quadriceps muscles are getting contracted. So the strength of your quadriceps muscles are going to be increased with this practice, and if your quadriceps muscles are getting stronger, then your knee joint will not get more pressure while walking or while standing too long. So practice this one 3 sets 20 times each. Next one, bend your right leg and interlace your fingers like this to your hamstring muscle. Now toe pointing out. Now straight your knee, flex your ankle and then down, straight your knee, flex your ankle, then point. Straight your knee, flex your ankle. Straight your knee, flex your ankle. Remember, do not hunch your back, okay? Try to straight your spine. If you are not able to straight your knee, just do as you can. Some people may have very tight hamstring and hip joint. For them, it will be really hard to straight your knee. So for those, they can just try with this one, or you can get something under your hip. You can also use something under your hip. It will help you to keeping your spine straight. Then try flex your ankle, then down. Flex your ankle, then down. Flex your ankle, then down. Same you have to do with opposite side also, with the left. Toe pointing out, straight, flex your ankle, then down. Straight your knee, flex your ankle, then down. Straight your knee, flex your ankle, then down. Straight your knee, flex your ankle, and down. So you can do 10 times or 20 times, 3 sets. Okay? With keeping something under your hip or without keeping something under your hip, up to you. But remember to keeping your spine straight while practicing this. Now we're gonna try with rotating our knee joint. So bend your right leg, lock, feet up, toe pointing out. Now try to rotate it clockwise, keeping your toe continuously pointing out. So 10 times rotate it clockwise, and then same 10 times rotate it anti-clockwise. So we have to rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise both 10 times each. So as we tried with our right, same we have to practice with our left side. Okay, so likewise with the left, toe pointing out, rotate, try to make a big circle, toe will be continuously pointing out. Very good. 10 times, and then reverse 10 times like this, then release. So what we have tried just now, that we have to practice same by lying on our back side. So lie down your back, bend your right leg, and then finger lock here. So same as we tried. Flex your ankle, straight your knee, and then down. Flex your ankle, straight your knee, and then down. Flex your ankle, straight your knee, and then down, pointing out. Flex, straight your knee, bend, pointing out. Straight your knee, flex, bend your knee, pointing. Straight your knee, flex. So 10 times with each leg. Okay. Same you can also do clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rotate clockwise. Same anti-clockwise. Likewise, you have to practice with the left also. So with each leg, we have to practice 3 sets. Okay, 10 times or 20 times, but you have to do 3 sets every time. Now feet together, hands by the side of your body. After that, we're gonna practice Ek Pad Uttanasana. So right leg up, hold it at 30 degree. Okay, feel the pressure on your thigh muscle, your quadriceps muscle. Then 45 degree, hold for 10 counting. Then 60 degree, hold for 10 counting. Your toe will be pointed. Then slowly down. Likewise with the left. 30 degree, 10 counting. After 10 counting, 45 degree, 10 counting. After that, 60 degree, 10 counting. Then slowly down. So this one also 3 sets with each leg. Okay. Now we can try with both the legs also. So both the legs up, directly 60 degree. Hold. Here, pointing, point out. Flex, point. Flex and point. Flex, and point, flex and point, flex and point, then slowly down. So this one also you have to practice 3 sets and flex and point 10 to 15 times. Okay. After this, bend your right knee. After practicing all the set, okay, then at last we're gonna give massage to our knee joint. Okay. So you're gonna rub your palms to each other and keep rubbing your palm until your palms getting heated. After your palms getting heat, we have to massage our knee. If you will try better without the cloth directly on your knee, you should try directly on your knee, will be more better. So rub and then give massage to your knee like this. So you have to practice at least 10 times. Rub your palm, heat up your palm completely, and then massage your knee like this. One more time, try. Rub and then massage your knee. You have to practice all these exercises which we have just told you, and remember, while practicing this, do not overpress your body. Okay, try to do it slowly, and after practicing, do not forget to massage your knee in the last. And if you are having knee pain, you should do some precautions also. If you are not taking precautions and continuously practicing the exercise without the precautions, then your knee pain will not be reduced. So what we have to do in the precautions, first one, remember, do not sit with the cross leg positions. Even this cross leg position will not be good for you. Better to sit with Dandasana position with keeping your legs straight, or sit on the sofa. Do not sit on the ground, especially if you are having arthritis. If you are having too much pain in your knee joint, do not sit on the ground. Keep sitting on the sofa, keep sitting on the chair. If you are sitting on the floor, sit with keeping your legs straight. Do not bend your knee. And if you will be continue practicing this for 1 to 2 months, I can assure you, you will be getting so much benefit from all this, and your knee pain will not be bother you anymore. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, please like our video, and please write down a comment how you feel after practicing this all the exercises and asana. See you soon in other video. Thank you.